So it looks like the Mellow shipment came in today. We've got our Lippy in Madness. And we've got our we've got our Liquid in Barcelona. Ooh, let's see what else is in here. You want to hold that for a second?
Sure.
Just hold it right there. Thank you. Hold still. Thanks. And look at how nicely they wrapped these. Do you see? They wrapped them in bubble. So this is the, unwrap it so they can see. So this is the treasure chest. And they've taped it so that it stays nice. This is the treasure chest, which we'll open here in a minute.
This is so much fun holding your phone.
Thank you. And then we've
This
got
is my hand.
No thanks. Your hand is beautiful. And then we've got the Stardust Glow Palette. So I think what we'll do is we'll open these one by one so we can see what's inside them. What do you think? Does that sound good?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. You gonna hold that right there for me so they can see?
Hmm?
Okay, so we slide this guy off. And then inside, we have the palette, so we'll lift it up so they can see. So we've got 4 swatches here. We've got Luna, we've got Star, we've got Delta, and we've got Dawn. And they've got this nice piece of plastic so it doesn't move. And that's how that one comes packaged. We'll probably use that one tomorrow. So we'll set that guy aside. And this is Treasure Chest. This is the box that it comes in. So it comes with a little slip cover on the outside. You can kind of hear me peeling away the plastic here. I always love that sound.
I like this. I like the sound of it.
Yeah, I do too. So we're just going to peel away the end, and then we're going to push on the other side. Oh, and look at this. Smells, look.
Sparkly.
Look at how sparkly that is. Love this packaging. No hands, thank you. Shall we open it and see what's inside? Yeah. Whoa, look at that. Can we see it with the camera? Look. So this one doesn't include a brush.
What can we do?
But we can see all of the colors. And this arrived very nicely. It was bubble wrapped. Hold it right there, babe. Thank you. Nice clean mirror. Really nice delivery on these. And then we'll open these last 2. So this one. And it's nice that they have the, they have the color swatch on the bottom.
Oh, wow.
And so there's our package on the outside here. Hold it still.
Let's see what's inside.
And if we open it, look at that nice fine point that they retained because they packed it nicely.
Whoa.
Whoa, right?
Really?
We'll put that lid back on. We'll try that one later. And then we've got a liquid lipstick. I always like to try one of the basic ones and then one of the liquid lips. And so there's this one in Barcelona. So this one also was very nicely delivered, wrapped in its box. Really nicely done, Mellow. Really looking forward to using these products.